Welcome to speedearning.com. We are discussing the method for short term. Sometimes there are so many fellows who are not having enough time to decide right stock, and then they are unable to trade during the market hours. So this is a very easy method what you can follow. You just go to bulk deal by mutual fund in Google search, and there is a site Prudent Corporate. So you can see one thing, that some scheme is buying any particular stock on particular day. Suppose it is 28th July, and you can see on 25th July some scheme bought this stock on this rate. At 21 July some scheme bought some stock on this rate. You just keep the record, and you can buy the same stock. But before that you need assurance. That's why we are suggesting a project. You will have to keep records of last 6 month buying. You just avoid the stocks which are bought and sold simultaneously by different schemes. We should focus only on the stocks which are bought by some scheme and not sold by any scheme. So buy and buy column is there. There is no sell column for particular script. Then it was held by some scheme, and that is a good stock. So you just do one thing. When you are going to bottom of that page, there is previous or next column. You just click and go to last 3 months. If it is possible to maintain, you go to last 6 months. Write down the name of stock, the bought price and date, current price and date, and meanwhile you just go to the chart and see the highest point, highest price, date, lowest price, date. So that will give you a right idea. So how can you maintain your rotation? Because suppose you bought 4 stocks out of that list, and 2 were upside in the market and 2 fell downside. So you can book the profit in 2 out of 4 stocks, and you are waiting in remaining 2 stocks. At the same time you can use your free amount for the next stock bought by the mutual fund schemes. So this is a very good method. It takes only 10 to 15 minutes to decide, but it can give you 10,000, 15,000 or 1 lakh on big volume. So this is a very good method. If you are keeping the records and checking it in the back date, you can see it was a great method to follow, because in this month we have bought some of the stocks, and all those stocks gave us 20 to 40% return without any problem. So this method everyone can follow, and there is no problem. If you are having any problem, you can discuss with us in our paid training. And sorry to say, but we are very busy in our analysis and paid trainings. So if you want some help, you just mail us. We are going through those mails. You can WhatsApp us, but we can't answer right then. So we are just working on all your feedbacks. We are making new videos. If you are suggesting something, we are working on that. But don't expect that we can reply at the moment, because we are more inclined to the fellows for whom we are committed. That's a simple thing. Thank you very much. Bye.